In this video, I'm going to show you the best new Solana trading bot, which is called Axiom Trade. So in case you don't have an account yet, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and if you sign up using my link, you will get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever, so make sure you check it out. Now from here, once you're logged in, as you can see, this is Axiom Trade or Axiom Pro as it's called up here, and you can use it for various different things. Of course, the primary thing is for trading meme coins. Now, what's great over here is that it has the discover feed where you can see the deck screener coins and then the trading coins as well over here. So the trending ones, you can see the 5-minute, 1 hour, 6 hours, and 24 hours, and you can even filter it. So if you click over here, you can put in some really in-depth filters over here and then click apply all, and it will filter your meme coins according to your filters, which is amazing. Now over here, you can click on the preset settings and you can set yourself some presets for trading. So you have 3 options for either buy or sell, where you can set slippage, priority, and bribe. And then you can click continue and just go from there. Now, for easier access, you can just select quick buy over here. So you can type in the amount you would want to buy, and you can just quick buy by clicking over here on these blue buttons. As you can see, up here on top, you have the option to go to polls as well. And when you click on that, you can see the new pairs, you can see the final stretch where I currently have filters, so I'm just gonna reset it so we can see how it looks just in a second. There we go, apply all. Okay, it doesn't have any filters now, and you can see the migrated as well. Now if you click over here on this filter icon, you can filter out all of these via audit, metrics, socials, etc., which is great. And of course, you can do this however you would like to find the best meme coins for you. And then over here, you also have trackers. If you click on trackers, you can see your wallet manager where you can basically track wallets and their activities, and you can see the live trades as well. You can also import and export wallets, which is amazing. And then once you have traded successfully 5 Solana or more, you'll be able to access the Twitter feed as well, which you can access over here under trackers, or if you click Twitter tracker down below, and you can simply use it over here or pin it to your another tab, as you can see over here, which is great as well. Now in here you also have your perpetuals, and then you can of course start using these if you would like to. You can begin the yield, so you can enable it if you like to, and then you have your portfolio over here where you can see everything that you currently own, so your coins and your total balance. And then under rewards, you can see your referrals, because referring people to this platform can also give you some nice rewards. You can deposit via clicking over here, where you can convert, deposit, or buy. So you can just basically copy this address, take it to one of your basically wallets, and then you can deposit from your wallet inside the Axiom Pro. You can also click up here, and then under account and security, you can see your recovery key, manage wallets, where you can basically add wallets and select your active wallets. You can see your rewards, yields, and log out if you want to. So those are the basic functionalities of Axiom Pro, and it's basically a great way to trade. It's an alternative to, for example, BullX and Photon and all these. And yeah, make sure you check it out if you want to. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.